Pre-production started officially about 6 weeks ago, and it's going really well. Yeah, pre-production is going really well. I mean, we've cast our actors, we've scouted our locations, we've secured them, we've got our insurance ready, we have the crew ready, everyone's up to speed. You know, the script is pretty much shooting script. Schedules are being written out at the moment. You know, all that. Like, so 2 weeks to the shoot from Saturday, and we're ready to go. Like, you know. Well, firstly we have, well, obviously myself, who I'm the writer director, and I'm helping produce as well. You know, I have a lot of experience in writing and well, producing, writing and directing. I have a lot of experience in acting. Brian O'Connor, who has had a lot of experience in videography and editing, and he's a very gifted and technical guy with cameras and with editing and also with management and getting things done. So we're glad to have him on board. Then we have Blaine Rennicks, who is the cinematographer. He is, you know, very talented guy. You know, he's extremely, you know, visually driven, and he's cinematography, his lighting, setting up of a scene is exceptional. So we're glad to have him on board. I've worked with him several times. Then we're working with the same makeup girl, Jill Brown, from Jacob Wrestled with the Angel, and from another shoot I had, which is great because Jill is fantastic and she's very thorough. Roger Ryan, who is a gaffer, also worked on Jacob and another project that I did as well. He adds so much to a film set. He's an amazing guy, very good personality, very positive, and an amazing gaffer. Jason Fernandez, who is an excellent composer, and I've worked with him several times in other projects, especially Jacob Wrestled with the Angel. You know, he's an excellent composer. He's based in LA. And also then a newcomer to our crew, Peter Neisel, who's got some really great credits, and he's the sound recordist, and he's going to be here on set. He worked in Calvary, and he's worked in Vikings and a lot more big films and TV shows, and you know, so excited to have him on board. So sound should be good. It's quite a bit shorter than my last film, Jacob Wrestled with the Angel, but I believe that Sineater will be a much more contained. It is a much more contained story, much more contained shoot, and hopefully definitely we're bringing up the quality. Even though it's a shorter film, the quality is actually going to be, in output is going to be about 4 to 5 to 6 times as good as Jacob, because of the cameras that we're using. We're using a Sony f5, and you know, it's going to look really well. The plans are festivals, Galway Film Flat. You know, we wanted to get Jacob in there last year, didn't get in, so we're hoping Sineater will, and we're looking to distribute to the top 50 festivals in the world, and hopefully getting into one, at least one. And if we don't, we have other plans for the film then as well. You know, because we're not aiming. We're aiming high as regards distribution. So that's what we're doing, and we're going to have a fundraising campaign after the shoot to raise money for the distribution. So we hope that people will support us in that way.